Okay, let's look at imperfect conjugation. Your learning target, I will use the correct conjugations of verbs in the imperfect tense to discuss continuous actions in the past. So here are the conjugation endings for AR verbs in the imperfect tense. So we have aber, abas, aba, abamos, abais, aben. And you'll notice that this is marked. Remember the rule in Spanish, that second to last syllable gets the emphasis. So in this case, we have 3 syllables, right? Abamos. So it would normally fall on this A. And if it doesn't follow on that second to last syllable, then it is marked with an accent mark. So in this case, it's abamos versus abamos. You can hear the difference. Obamos, abamos. Okay, and notice here the yo form is the same as the third person, he or she, right? Abba and Abba. So you would just understand who you're talking about in the context. Okay, let's look at these endings applied to an AR verb. Nadar, to swim, right? So go ahead and practice this pronunciation out loud. Can feel a little tricky at first, but it's also fun. So, nadaba, nadabas, nadaba, nadabamos, nada, I can't say that one. Nadabais, sorry, nadabais and nadaban. Let's do that one more time, a little faster. Nadaba, nadabas, nadaba, nadabamos, nadabas, nadaban. Okay, our endings for ER and IR verbs in the imperfect. Ia, yes, ia, iamos, yais, ian. And you'll notice there's an accent mark over everyone. Okay, so let's practice vivir, vivia, vivias, vivia, viviamos, viviais, vivian. Comer, comía, comías, comía, comíamos, comíais, comían. Okay, here are our endings for the imperfect tense in the AR and ER, so you can see them right next to each other. So we have aba, abas, aba, abamos, abais, aben, ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. And we have a note at the bottom here. Don't forget that ser, ver, and ir are irregular. So that's what's really nice about this imperfect tense is that there's only 3 irregular verbs. That's it. All the rest will follow those normal patterns. So we have ir is one of our irregular ones. So we have iba, ibas, iba, íbamos, ibais, iban. Eras, era, éramos, erais, eran for ser. And ver, veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, veían. Okay, let's look at some practice sentences. Again, these are all going to be in the imperfect tense. So, cuando yo blank 5 años, so remember we use tener to say age. In the imperfect tenses, tenía, so cuando yo tenía 5 años. Mi madre me blank muchas leyendas. So my mother read to me many legends. So leer in the imperfect tense for mother or her, leía. Mi madre me leía muchas leyendas. Mis favoritas, blank, las leyendas aztecas. So my favorite were, so were is going to be ser in this case. The imperfect tense for plural, eran, right? Mis favoritas eran. My favorites were porque yo blank ser guerrero valiente because I wanted to be a valiant warrior. So querer in the imperfect. Quería. Mis hermanos y yo blank a la biblioteca. So we used to go to the library. This is going to be nosotros form, right? Íbamos. Mis hermanos y yo íbamos. Mi madre blank contenta con nosotros. So she was happy with us using estar in the imperfect tense. Estaba. Mi madre estaba contenta. So she was happy with us. Okay, please complete the questions for this activity now.